Hey, just wanted real quickly to do a little recording for you in terms of creating the scrimmages. So I've already got the scrimmage created, the actual shell for it. And remember, to do this, all you do is go to the assignments area where you would create any and all of your assignments. So let me show you that. You would just go to your assignments area. Pick a group in whichever you were going to assign a new assignment. Click quiz, name it, put the due date, and then either you can save it or you can go ahead and go to more options. If you want to go ahead and add the questions then or work on the quiz details, you could go to more options then. But since I've already got it saved, I've already got that part created, the actual quiz set up and created. Let me show you how I do the scrimmages. So the scrimmages are basically a benchmark. It's worth a total of 12 points. The two extended response are 4 points apiece, and then the multiple choice are 1 point apiece. So you'll go to Edit, and go to Questions. Now, in terms of the previous scrimmage that they completed, adding the two that they missed the most, go to Quiz Statistics. And let's see, 88, 90, 88, 82, 76, so that one for sure. And then those were the two extended response. So all I would do is copy and paste these over. And you would just do new question. Oops. And copy and paste over. And just be sure when you're copying and pasting over, I don't know why this one only has 2 answer options. They should all have 4 answer options. I'm not real sure what happened to this one. I may go in and add some answer options. But anyways, just make sure it's 1 point. I'll go back and add those answer options. So that's one of the ones that they missed the most. But the other questions, so you have the 2 review questions. I do the ones that they missed the most on the scrimmage. And then the rest are from the new material. So the time period, the 2 weeks in between the modules. All you do for that, and I have it set up here where I can just thumb through and look at the different items that they completed in between. In between the modules, go to Find Questions, and this will pull up the question bank. So as long as it's not a test or a quiz that you created, as long as it was something that was already created in the course, you can copy that from the course question bank. So let's see. They completed seedlings, soil, and nutrients. So let's just look at soil and nutrients. And I'll show you how to add that. So soil and nutrients, you can pick any of the ones from the question. Let's do this one. Add question. Ta-da, it's there. You didn't have to copy and paste. Now with the essay questions, you can do the same thing. Oops. But just select essay. Make sure you change the point value. You can go again down to Find Questions and choose a question from either an exam, or if there was an extended response, there's not usually an extended response in a quiz, but on an exam, if you wanted to pull over from a test, you could pull over one of those extended response questions into the scrimmage this way as well. So once you've got that all set up and you've got your total 12 points, you've got your 4 multiple choice, your 2 extended response, what I've been doing is actually sending this over to the facilitator so that they can review this with the students at the end. So I've already completed the 8th grade. Here, this is the 8th grade scrimmage. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in the right hand corner and select print, the right hand corner of my screen. I'm going to select print, and instead of printing, I'm going to change it and just save as PDF. And I'm going to save it this way. I'll just title it on my computer, save it in a folder so I can zip the folder, and send the zipped folder over to the facilitator with the instructions that this is to only be gone over for review once all of the students are finished with the scrimmage that day, or the benchmark that day. So it's fairly easy, but I just wanted to make a recording for you to let you know and kind of see those steps. If you get in there and you have any trouble, of course, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be glad to help you with anything or clarify any questions that you may have.